Okie doke. We got a salad with some protein in it, y'all. Look at these beautiful shrimp. Look at those beautiful shrimp. So pretty. Now, in this pot, I've got about 2 inches of water in here with a few tablespoons of Old Bay, and I'm going to just give these shrimp an extra little toss of Old Bay. And we are going to put our shrimp in there, and then we're going to cut off our heat because one thing about shrimp is you don't want to overcook them. You do not. Excuse me, y'all. Allergies. All right, so this has gotten hot, and I'm going to dump our shrimp in, and I'm going to immediately turn off our water, turn off our heat, and we're going to put a lid on this, and we're going to let it sit in that hot water. We're going to let it sit in that hot water for about maybe 3 minutes until our shrimp are nice and opaque. And then we're going to peel them, and we've got some yummy ingredients that we're going to mix our shrimp up in, and it's going to be delicious, especially if you like pesto. All right, so look at our beautiful shrimp. They've all turned a light pink. Like I said, you just don't want to overcook them. And these are like perfect. So in the recipe, if you go to the actual recipe at the end of this tape, it'll tell you exactly a great boiling tip for your shrimp that will produce perfect shrimp almost every time, depending on the size of your shrimp. Now, these are large. I think the recipe actually calls for medium. But, go big or go home. Okay, our shrimp are perfectly cooked. So tender and so delicious. I've already sampled them, so I know they're good. All right, now I've got celery, purple onion, some pesto, and this is a store-bought pesto. You can make it, or you can buy it already made. Buying it already made just makes this a lot easier. And I suggest that you serve this with your shrimp at room temperature. Another nice summer salad. All right. Now we're going to toss our shrimp and all that goodness and coat them up real good. And you can serve them just like this, or on some nice crisp lettuce. And I think that I want to serve mine on the nice crisp lettuce.
I want to tell you something. This is actually from the Deen Brothers.
Is it?
Book. I thought I'd tell you afterwards that you were cooking.
I didn't recognize the recipe, but I thought, sounded good to me. Oh, it's my boy's recipe. That's wonderful. A little coarse ground salt, a little coarse ground pepper, a little fork. We need a little fork. I wonder if this is Bobby's recipe because it sounds just like something that would be right up Bobby's alley.
It was in the hay dog.
Oh, okay. Mmm. Boys, it's a winner. Winner, winner, shrimp dinner. Mmm. The pesto makes it so fresh tasting. So I hope y'all can find some good shrimp at your local seafood market and make this for sure, y'all. For sure. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.